Sanggalang and our winning coach, Coach John Cardell. Coach, I'll start with you. 5 wins. The last time Terra Firma got 5 wins, pumasok sa playoffs. This is your first time to get
First time,
5
yeah.
wins for Terra Firma under your coaching. If you could just describe this achievement.
Wala, effort lang talaga ng mga players and they all want to, to improve naman yung winning namin, no? Yun nga, we end up palagi sa 4, di ba? The last time is triple tie with Ginebra and Phoenix, no? So na-out kami by 0.2 points. So this time ako, sabi ko, pag manalo siguro tayo this game versus Northport, a big chance on getting into the quarterfinals. No? But I know it's hard because Magnolia yung last game namin, but we will try our best manalo.
Coach, nabanggit mo na Magnolia, your next game, last game for the elimination round. Gaano kalaki tong panalo na to heading to that game for the confidence as well of the team, especially how they played today's game, lumamang, nabawian, nalamangan, but in the end, nakahanap ng paraan para mapanalo.
I told you kanina, Apple, di ba? Yeah, malalaking mama nga itong mga player ko, but still young. They're still young, no? They're still a lot to learn, no? How to play as a team, how to be patient, no? Sa isa't isa. And yung mga tendencies, no? Kailangan malaman nila yun, no? So, ganun pa rin. Teaching point pa rin kami mga coaches from Terra Firma. Then maybe, no, this win give us get into the quarterfinals, no? Bahala na kasi nga it's a winning, other teams winning kung sino yung yung makakatay namin or kung sino yung winner over the others, so ganun mangyayari. So hopefully, no, na hindi na kami magkaroon ng knockout, na makapasok agad kami.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Louis, career high, 19 points. I believe it's also your first time to get Best Player of the Game honors. How big is this game for you, and ano yung nakatulong to be able to get this game out of you?
Sobrang laking tulong kasi sobrang kailangan namin itong panalo na to para nga magka-chance kami makapasok sa playoffs. And sila coach, sinabi nila na mag-ready ako, mag-i-start ako sa game para sa Northport dahil yung mga bigs nila, mga agile and mabibilis. So, pinag-ready ako ni coach sa practice pa lang.
Louis, next game, Magnolia, makakatapat mo doon, isa pang Sanggalang. A dominant, big. Naiisip mo na ba yung matchup na yon and your thoughts, how you gonna get yourself prepared for that one?
Kailangan din talagang paghandaan yun, lalo sila Kuya Ian kasi hindi sila basta-basta na team, talagang ang championship team sila, so we need to get ready talaga.
If you could just give us an idea sa practice, gaano naka-competitive? Because Swami mentioned how tumaas yung level of competitiveness nyo sa ensayo, also because nananalo kayo sa games. Kung mai-describe mo sa amin, paano kayo sa ensayo?
Talagang compete kami pag natalo ang first group, kahit tapos na yung practice, hindi pa, isa pang laro, parang makabawi, ganun. Grabe yung compete, so inuumpisahan ng mga senior namin, so sinusunod lang namin yung mga coach namin.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, congratulations.
Thank you.
Yun nga, nasabi nga 5 wins, most under your tenure. Ano lang yung pakiramdam na yung nasa posisyon kayo na kahit siguro playoff or basta nasa posisyon kayo na pwedeng makapasok sa quarterfinals?
Wala, sobrang thankful kami, lalo na sa akin, hawakan ko tong Terra Firma for how many, 5-6 years, no? Yun, so we have chance, no, to get into the quarterfinals, so gagrab na namin to, no? We will start on practice, no? Every practice we compete, sabi nga ni Louie. And of course, sabi ko, hindi lang pwede tayo laging hold, laging wami. So dapat lahat mag-contribute. Everybody should contribute. At Apple din kanina. Pag nag-contribute lahat yan, malaki chance namin manalo. So ito nga yung ginarap na kanina versus Northport.
Louie, nung nasa NCAA ka noon ka for being a physical player, paano mo in-embrace, lalo na dito sa PBA, pumasok ka na, mas physical siguro ang laro dito. Paano yung transition mo, and it seems na parang gamay na gamay mo na yung laro dito sa PBA?
Nag-adjust din naman ako kasi Mahirap kasi mas physical nga, lalo yung mga mas nakakatanda, mas physical sila. So sa practice pa lang, physical din naman yung mga kuya ko sa practice pa lang kaya nakakapag-adjust po.
Coach, gaano ka ka-happy na kahit na-foul out si Wami, parang ang dami nyo pa ring weapons dun sa final possession ninyo na, ayun nga na kumpleto nyo with the whole game winner.
Yun nga, nawala si Wami, but still kasi siyempre nag-start sila ng good start no, lahat. They could contribute, not only Wami, of course Javi is there, Dre is there, no, kahit nagkasakit si Dre, 2 days practice, wala siya, then last day practice, andun siya, and of course siyempre Isaac and Ken, no, nag-contribute sila, and even Jello, no, sa quality minutes, no, nag-contribute din. Everybody contribute, kaya wala naman ako, hindi naman ako nag-worry na ano. Ang wino-worry ko lang yung mag-overtime ng 5 minutes kasi minus Wami. So doon na natin pumimahin yun.
Coach, yung ano, siyempre past few conferences talagang mahirap for you dahil yun nga nagtatalo, but how happy are you na parang yung kahit pa paano ngayon lumalim kayo and yung depth ninyo talagang nagtatranslate into victories para sa inyo?
Ano lang kasi all of them, no, talagang willing to sacrifice, no, na maging competitive kami, no, every games, no. Sino yung makalaban namin, dapat pahirapan natin, dapat may chance tayong manalo, no. Then they grew up like Isaac is doing well, no, since si Kenmart malaking bagay, malalaking mama to. So yun lang, mga tendencies lang talaga, kailangan bawat galaw kailangan iisipin, eh. Hindi lang tayo pwede maglaro ng basketball. Kailangan every game, every single day sa mga mag-inbound ka, gagawa ka ng plays, you have to use your head. Kasi kako lagi sila nakapokus kay Holt, kay Wami. So be ready to take that shot. And be ready and give your confidence na papasok yan.
Coach, napag-usapan mo kanina yung balance scoring distribution, yun yung gusto mo mangyari sa Terra Firma. But let's talk about your defensive efforts. Dun sa Northport had 4 seconds or 3.1 seconds to try and put the game into overtime. How big of a luxury ba, Coach, na meron kang mga big men like si Kemar Carino and of course Isaac and Mark Louis?
Yeah, yung 3 seconds to go, we adjust talaga. I put Ken Mark, no, para at least yung last defender, no, na kailangan mo italon to. Sabi ko last 3 seconds kailangan igalaw natin yung paa. Kung gusto din natin manalo, itong last 3 seconds kailangan maglaro tayo ng depensa. So yun nga, maganda yung naging helping defense niya, naka-block siya kay Tolentino. So that's just a team effort kasi Dre is doing good, no, taking Tolentino and Javi. So nahirapan talaga. So yun na naman kasi yung kailangan namin, talagang kailangan yung depensa nandyan palagi. Sabi ko nga kay Apple, sa depensa walang malas eh. Sa opensa meron.
Coach, about Louis, kumusta, since the start ng season, kumusta yung slowly nagiging part na kasi siya ng, or siguro part na siya ng rotation mo, ano yung, kumusta yung steps na umabot sa lagay na yun?
Siyempre kilala ko na to, no? Nasa Letras ba to, no? Lagi ko rin nakakasama to sa mga games nila for the Grand Slam, no? Tumutulong naman tayo kahit papano, give them pointers, no? Then napunta siya sa akin, sabi ko it's a big help for us, no? Kasi meron kaming small big man, no? Kahit ganito lang kalaki tong mamang to, sumisil to, taka matapang talaga ang puso nito. Playing in PBA, kailangan malaki puso mo dito. Pag medyo may hina ka dito, walang mangyayari sa PBA. Wala kang mangyayari yung career mo. Kailangan maging tough ka. Maging tough ka, then you have your own self-practice rather than sa may practice namin. So effort talaga. Talagang effort talaga.
Alright, that's it for our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ang lahat nahihibang, nagliliyab, nagniningning, parang pinagtagpong hiling.